we've got a Behringer Euro Live today on the bench. It's a B615D, and the customer is complaining that there's no bass or low frequency, just high frequency. Well, the next thing that we're going to do is to take the amp module out and have a look and see what's causing this problem. So I'll take the module out and then we'll come back. Just dismantling the board just to see what the issue is. And as I suspected, one of the coils for the low frequency output, as you can see there, is quite loose, and it's actually broken off, and that's what we're going to have to repair. Right, you can actually see there where that side is alright, but the other bit which is broken, the other tin copper wire, the coil is actually still in there, where it's actually just broken off, and you can see some arcing there, which makes sense. So occasionally it was making contact and the sound was there, and then it wasn't. As you can see, we've actually repaired the coil, but what I'm also going to do is actually put a bit of sealant on there to deal with any issues with vibration. There you go. As you can see, the coil's back in there, but what I've actually done is put some more sealant around it just to make sure that there aren't any vibration issues. So now what we're going to do is put everything back and then do a test run. Right, the amp module's all assembled, so all we got to do now is to connect all the wires back to the speaker and then do a test run. Okay. Okay, putting power in that signal.